coins with glee, nickels, dimes, and pennies, learning to see each shiny coin a story, like a tiny treasure chest, saving up for toys or maybe a pet. Mommy gives us jars to keep our savings safe, learning to spend wisely, not just grab and race. We count each day's earnings like a little game, counting coins together, making wishes come true. Counting coins together, we're learning to save, spending wisely, our piggy banks overflow. Counting coins together in the sun or rain, learning to save every single day. Counting coins together, our dreams will gain, saving for what we want without delay. Daddy shows us coins, their names and values too, teaching us about money, a fun and easy clue. We learn to count, to save, to give a little bit, counting coins together in the light of day. Grandma gives us tips about the money tree, planting seeds of savings, watching them grow free. We count each coin, each dollar, each cent, counting coins together, our future set. Counting coins together, we're learning to save, spending wisely, our piggy banks overflow. Counting coins together in the morning or late, learning to save every single day. Counting coins together, our dreams will ignite, serving for what we want without delay. Counting coins together under the moon's soft glow, learning to save every single day. Oh, oh, oh. Counting coins together, our futures grow, saving for what we want without delay.